G'day everyone, it's Chris O. What I'm doing here is protecting the edge of my bath. It's not a freestanding bath this time, it's one already in place. So for all you intellectual people, this bath is in situ. Which means in place. But why people just don't say in place, I don't know. Anyway. I'll have a drop sheet tomorrow when I'm standing in the bath tiling. I'll be standing on a drop sheet. But it all helps to protect. That's why freestanding baths are in, because a tiler is not working over them. They go in afterwards. Because I would say in the past there's way too much damage done. So you got to be very careful. Not that you're going to drop a tile in it, but you just got to be careful. So a little bit of protection can go a long way. Then I stand on it with primer on my shoes. That's alright, it'll come off. I'll have a drop sheet, a clean drop sheet tomorrow. They're just little things that, you know, if you care about what you're doing and you care about other people's things, you protect. The plastic covers have been removed off these, so let's just tape them up as well in case of getting scratched, because everything gets pretty tight when you're cutting these days the cover plates are pretty tight, so we'll just tape them up. Because a cut tile can be pretty scratchy. And if it just touches that, it'll scratch, so we protect it. That's all good. That's all good. Okay, well, hunky dory. See you soon. Ciao.